Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Madison. So today's video is going to be a prom inspired makeup look. Before we start the video, I just want to give a big thank you to Frankie Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. I personally love their products and how they work on me, and I hope that they work for you too. I will have a discount code right here on the screen and at the end of the video and in the description box below if any of you are interested in purchasing any of their products as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Please remember, if you are not yet subscribed to the family, to go please subscribe and put the post notifications on, which is the bell button, so you know whenever I upload. And let's get started. I'm gonna put on my headband. I love having my hair out of the way when I'm doing my makeup. So I have a makeup look in mind that I want to do today, and I have to make my makeup look kind of neutral because I'm trying on 4 different dresses in another dress try on video. So this video will definitely be up. No, actually the dress video will be up before this one. So yeah, anyways, I have this like neutral kind of makeup look and it's so cute. I think I can perfect it, hopefully. I want to wear contacts today, and I think I want to wear like my green ones because I feel like green just clashes with every color so well, and this makeup look as well. I think the model has like, yeah, she has greenish hazel eyes. They're so pretty and it looks so good with that look as well. So I'm gonna go pop on my contacts really quick and then I will be right back. Okay, so the contacts are on and I will put everything on the screen for you, from the color to the brand to my discount code if you are interested. I know you can't really see it right now because I'm a little far from the screen because the sun is just hidden right here, so I'm trying to like stay back here. But anyways, let's get started in the makeup. I'm going in with my Frankie Prime Addiction Face Primer. I love this one. It's really smooth. I think this would be perfect for prom because it makes my makeup stay all day and it just gives such a smooth canvas for you to work with. I've been so addicted to Starbucks lately, guys. I have been breaking out like on my upper lip so bad, and so I wanted to have coffee this morning because I'm a little tired and it's super early. I think it's like 8 o'clock, and that's pretty early for me, especially when it comes to creating content. But the sun is out, it's a beautiful day, and I would rather much like want to get stuff done earlier in the day because tomorrow is Mother's Day and I'm gonna go see my mom. So tomorrow I'm like pretty busy. I'm going out of town, so I'm not gonna have time, you know, to like promote or make content. So I'm gonna try and kill a lot of stuff today. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So usually I would do my eyes first, but I've been liking doing my face first recently. Also, I have breakouts that are not pleasing to look at, so I'm gonna go in with the Frankie Cosmetics Matte Perfection Foundation. This one is in the shade Bare. This one is such a good color match for me. I love this one so much. And then I'm just gonna take this flat kabuki brush and I'm just going to use that to blend in my foundation. We're working with natural lighting today because I know in a lot of my other videos sometimes my softbox lights give out like an orange tint, and I hate that, and I'm so sorry like that I can't even fix it with my white balance. I try to, but I can't. Hopefully, you know, this natural lighting will do some justice in this video if you are contemplating on Frankie Cosmetics products. I love the way that this foundation blends, and I love the coverage. I love how buildable this coverage is as well, because, you know, sometimes like I just don't want a lot of coverage, you know. I still want my imperfections to show through, and then sometimes like today I just want a lot of coverage. I'm sorry guys, I have a really stuffy nose. I'm gonna light a candle and open my window. I don't know if that's gonna help, but okay, never mind about the window. I just lit a candle because the birds are way too loud and I already know that's gonna annoy a lot of people in this video. I'm just gonna put some on my nose. Guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but I switched out my nose ring to this really pretty like thicker gem one, but it's really hard, like it's really hard to stay in my nose. I'm only gonna wear it like for a little bit of time because this stuff hurts. It's a little thicker than my usual nose ring that I'm like used to, so I'm not gonna wear it for a really long time. I think I might take it off like next week. I got it off Etsy if anyone's wondering. It's a beautiful nose ring, but it just doesn't stay on for me. But also, I haven't switched out my nose ring in so long, guys. So like, you know how you switch out your nose ring like after a while and the hole just hurts because it's like it gets a little tighter? That's basically like what I'm going through right now. So I'm not gonna move on to concealer. I'm actually gonna move on to my eyes now. So I'm gonna go in with this Nomad Tosana eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I hope it didn't scare you, but so I just zoomed you guys in a little bit. By the way, I did not let you guys know that I got my eyebrows microbladed. If you can see how dark, obnoxiously dark, and how they're kind of peeling, yeah, so that's why. That's also another reason why I'm like trying to fit in so much content in this day, because I feel like my eyebrows are peeling very soon and so quick, and I can't put makeup on there. So I'm trying to get like a lot of promotions done like while they still kind of look semi good. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this eyeshadow color and use it as my transition color. I wish you guys could see how it actually looks in person because it looks way more pigmented. But now we're gonna go in with a deeper brown color for the outer corner. So I'm gonna go in with this brown shade, and it's okay if this look is a little messy at first as we're gonna be cutting the crease around this area, so don't worry if it's like a little messy. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm just gonna use my Frankie Rose concealer. This one is in the shade Fresh, and I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer brush. So the way I'm gonna carve out my eyelids is a little different than like what I usually do, because I really want this look to be focused on my crease. So I'm gonna make my crease a lot bigger than usual, something kind of like that. Obviously you can tell that it's way bigger than like my actual eyelid, so just something really subtle like that. Obviously it's not too carved out, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye really quick, and I will be right back. I'm gonna go in with a much darker brown and put this on the outer corner to give it some more definition and kind of give like a cat eye effect on the outer corner. So now I'm gonna pack on just this bone type of shade and put that onto my eyelids where I carved it with concealer. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop here before I mess anything up. Okay, so my camera decided to stop freaking filming when I was recording my mascara, but this is the Frankie Rose mascara. It is so cute. It makes my eyelashes pop so much. So you can really see my eye makeup look here. Oh my god, look at that blending on the back. Ew, right here. Looks so muddy. Guys, I will fix that. That is so gross. But anyways, yeah, this mascara is so cute. I'm sorry I didn't film myself doing it, but also eyelash curler is a big help with this mascara. I'm gonna go pop on my lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so the lashes are on and the lashes will be linked down below for you all. They are from Crazy Eyelash. So now we're gonna move on to concealer, and I need to clean up this mess right here. Do you guys see that? That is so ugly. So we're just gonna clean that up. I'm gonna go in with this concealer brush and blend that. By the way, this is the same concealer that I used before to carve out my eyelids. It's in the shade Fresh. And then for a little more coverage, I'm just gonna add a little more. I feel like my bags have gotten so much worse like this year because I haven't been getting the best sleep, and I don't know why. I just haven't. Oh shit, sorry. I've been on melatonin gummies for a minute, but I only take those if I seriously cannot sleep. I promise it looks really white on camera, but it's actually not as dramatic as you think it is. It actually looks really good. So I'm gonna go in with the Pro Contour palette by Frankie Rose, and I'm going to go in with this color. This is my favorite color for contouring, and then I'm gonna go in with this one just a little bit after. Also, don't forget your chin. Your chin and jawline is super important as well. Now I'm gonna go in with these same two shades and contour my nose. Okay, so I'm done with the nose contour. I know it all looks so dramatic right now, but I promise it's gonna work out. We still have to powder. I'm gonna go in with my Airspun powder. This is my favorite all-time face powder. I'm just gonna use this to clean up my contour so it doesn't look muddy. I don't know how people can get perfect contour, like nose powder contour lines, because I can't. It always takes me like really long to perfect those lines, but some people can just, and it looks so good. For the rest of the face, I'm just going to take this powder brush and pat anywhere else I need powder. So I'm going to do it on my smile lines because this is where I crease a lot, and then also my forehead. And while we are waiting for the powder to set, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the excess makeup on my lips. By the time this video goes up, Mother's Day will already be over, but what are y'all doing for Mother's Day? Because I just ordered my mom some chocolate covered strawberries that say I love you, and they are so cute. I'm picking them up today. I love chocolate covered strawberries, guys. Like, they are so good. I love strawberries in general. I love strawberry flavor, strawberry anything. Whenever I get a smoothie or something, usually it's strawberry. But yeah, I'm super excited for that. And then my sisters and I are pitching in on getting her eyebrows microbladed as well, like me. And yeah, I think I'm also going to buy her some flowers, probably just from the store, like a bouquet of roses or something. I hope you all have a great Mother's Day as well. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mothers out there, and to your mother as well. I think it's really important that you all show how much you appreciate and love your mother. So make sure you make her feel like, you know, she's loved on this day and appreciated, and that her hard work doesn't go unnoticed. I'm a soon-to-be mother, so I'm expecting to get something, but if I don't...
So I actually found out the news today that my dog had a false pregnancy, so I will not be a future dog mom this year, unfortunately, but it's okay, and we will continue to be grateful.
So now I'm going to go in with the Frankie Rose 3-shade bronze palette. I freaking love this palette so much. It is so pigmented, guys. It's crazy. I'm going to go in with the bronzer in the middle and just use that on top of my contour. And then for blush, I'm going in with that pink color. I believe it's called Starburst. Make sure you focus your blush on the high points of your cheeks. If you focus it more here, it's going to give you a lower face, if that makes sense. It's going to make your cheeks seem lower, and you don't want that. You want your cheeks to seem higher. Unless you want your cheeks to be lower, then go for it, but I think most people would like their cheeks to be higher. I love this blush so much. It is so pretty. It has like the perfect sheen highlight to it. Like, look, oh my god, guys, I feel like you can just pair it with any kind of look and it just looks so freaking good. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with this shade. It's called Sunkissed. It's the lightest shade in the palette. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It looks like it's liquid, like your skin is like wet in a good way. I'm gonna add some of that onto my inner corner. Okay, so I just added some bottom mascara. I'm going to add some white eyeliner in my waterline. I feel like I haven't done this in so long, so I'm super excited. And then for lipstick, I'm going to take this lip liner by LA Colors. This one is in the shade Sienna, and then also Frankie Rose's lipstick, which is in the shade Bittersweet. And I'm gonna mix these two, ooh, excuse me, together. This color is so pretty on its own already, but now I'm gonna add Bittersweet. Oh, this combo is so pretty. I forget how good this lipstick smells. It smells like citrusy. Okay everyone, so I just did my hair and put on my dress, and this is the final look. So I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you soon in my next video. Bye!